Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier has quickly become an essential appliance in my home, particularly in the basement and bathroom areas where humidity tends to accumulate. This model is capable of covering up to 860 square feet and extracting up to 35 pints of moisture per day, making it an efficient solution for combating dampness and preventing mold growth. One of the standout features is its smart technology. The built-in hygrometer allows for real-time monitoring of humidity levels, automatically adjusting the operation based on the current moisture in the air. I appreciate how the unit has a clear LED display that not only shows the humidity level but also allows for easy adjustments to the settings. This digital interface is user-friendly and takes the guesswork out of managing humidity. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, allowing it to blend seamlessly into my home decor. It's relatively lightweight, which makes it easy to move between rooms if needed. The unit operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for nighttime use. I often forget it's even running. The 35-pint capacity is impressive for its size, and I've noticed a considerable reduction in moisture levels within a short time frame. The built-in auto shut-off feature is a practical touch, ensuring that the unit stops running once the water tank is full. Speaking of the tank, it's easy to remove and empty, though I do wish it had a larger capacity to reduce the frequency of emptying during heavy use. In terms of energy efficiency, this dehumidifier has earned its praise. It doesn't spike my electricity bill, even with consistent operation. Overall, I highly recommend the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier for anyone struggling with humidity in their home. Its combination of smart features, effective moisture removal, and quiet operation makes it a worthwhile investment for maintaining a comfortable living environment.